Hey guys, so let's learn about robots. How do robot systems work? So literally, a robot is just like a human being, okay? Yeah, kind of. So the thing is, they work as the same principle as how we work, like human beings. So how do we work, okay? So first of all, let's say I'm a human being. I'm actually a human being, okay? So it's like I'm watching something. Let's say I have a mobile phone in my hand, right? Let's say this is a mobile phone, and I'm watching the mobile phone, and so I'm sensing that there is a device in front of me. And when I see that this is a device, and let's say I need to, let's say this hand is a stand, and I need to get it from this hand and pick it up or something, okay? So I'm sensing it first that this mobile phone is here, I'm locating it, I'm taking all this information through my eyes and my ears, probably a little bit, yeah, like balancing and stuff. So through my eyes I'm taking this information in my brain, it goes to the brain and it processes it there, okay? And when it finishes processing and all these stuff, it tells me, it gives me a signal back in my brain again, so it's just processing. And it tells my hand that yes, go and pick it up from that place, okay? So literally I'm doing this, look it up. I'm not a robot, okay? Anyways, so this is how robot systems work. So what they do is they sense using components called sensors. They understand, they process these things in their brain. So it's like the microcontrollers, okay? It could be like Arduinos, it could be 8051s, it could be Raspberry Pi, it could be anything, microprocessors, microcontrollers. So, and we're going to talk about those microcontrollers and processors in the next video. And then, what they do is they actuate. So, since I'm not a robot, I have a hand and I can move it like in plenty of degree freedoms, okay? I can move it here, there, but a robot, you'll have to design them for their movement. So imagine this is a robotic arm, okay? So you'll have to tell the robotic arm in 3D, like where it has to go. So imagine it was in this position. It has to go up here like this. And then again, you have a jaw here, like a claw. You could pick it up like this, or you could pick it up like this. So there's a lot of ways, okay? So in the beginning, it sounds a bit difficult, but we're gonna make it very easy for you. So this is how robot systems work. So if you have any questions or any kind of problems, you could like email me in my email or contact details below, or you can even ask questions here in the course section, all right? Thank you.